Mobil 1 full synthetic costs $30 for 5 quarts at Walmart, and Castrol GTX Magnatec costs about $22. And most guys looking at that $8 gap either grab the Mobil 1 because it's the name they trust, or grab the Castrol because they're trying to save money without thinking about what that $8 is actually buying them. What makes this comparison interesting is that these two oils are not from the same performance tier, and the question of whether the gap matters depends entirely on what your engine does all day. I've used both. I've seen both come out of engines. I'm going to run them in 4 rounds and give you the straight answer on whether this is a case where premium matters or a case where you're just paying for the name on the bottle. Let me set up what you're comparing. Castrol GTX Magnatec is Castrol's mid-tier full synthetic offering, positioned above conventional oil and standard synthetic blends. Castrol markets the Magnatec formula around its intelligent molecules that cling to engine surfaces during shutdown, creating a protective film before the oil pump delivers pressure on startup. The 5-quart jug of Castrol GTX Magnatec 5W30 runs about $21 to $23 at Walmart and AutoZone. It carries API-SP and ILSAC GF6 certification. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is ExxonMobil's flagship synthetic, using a PAO and Group 3 base oil blend with an additive package developed and refined over more than 4 decades. The 5-quart jug of Mobil 1 5W30 runs $29 to $31 at Walmart, $8 more per change than Castrol GTX Magnatec. Both are fully synthetic. Both are API-SP certified. The question is where those $8 go. Round 1 is wear protection. Both Castrol GTX Magnatec and Mobil 1 carry full API-SP certification and have passed the standardized engine sequence tests for anti-wear performance. Castrol's intelligent molecule marketing refers to their polar additive package that creates an adhesion layer on metal surfaces during the engine off period. The idea is that when you start cold, engine surfaces already have a partial protective layer before oil pressure arrives. Independent testing has shown this chemistry does provide measurably better film during startup compared to conventional base oil formulations without the adhesion additive. However, Mobil 1's anti-wear chemistry, specifically its zinc dialkyl dithiophosphate and proprietary anti-wear additive depth, provides a stronger protective film under sustained high-load operation. Castrol's cold start adhesion advantage is real. Mobil 1's sustained operation anti-wear advantage under mechanical loading is also real. For daily driving with normal cold starts, Castrol's approach addresses the actual highest wear moment in your day. For sustained high-load operation, towing, performance driving, sustained high RPM use, Mobil 1's additive depth takes over. This round is a draw based on use case, but I'll give the nod to Mobil 1 on overall anti-wear chemistry depth. Score: Mobil 1 1, Castrol 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Castrol GTX Magnatec Full Synthetic 5W30 has NOAC volatility in the 10 to 12% range in available data, competitive for a mid-tier full synthetic and within the range of quality oils like Valvoline Advanced and Quaker State. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 has NOAC in the 8 to 9% range, measurably lower volatility at sustained high temperature, meaning more protective oil mass stays in the engine instead of burning off at peak heat. For a Silverado or Ram towing a heavy trailer through summer heat, Mobil 1's lower volatility means more oil doing its job at the worst moment in your engine's day. For a daily driver F-150 on normal commute miles in moderate temperatures, Both oils maintain adequate film at operating temperature, and the volatility difference has minimal practical impact. Mobil 1 takes round 2. Score: Mobil 1 2, Castrol 0. Round 3 is cold weather performance and everyday value. Both Castrol GTX Magnatec and Mobil 1 in 5W30 handle American winter cold starts adequately through normal lower 48 states winter temperatures. Castrol's polar molecule adhesion additive provides a genuine startup advantage. The cold start is the highest wear period in every engine's operating cycle, and Castrol's formulation specifically addresses that window. In terms of pour point and cold crank performance at the temperatures most American truck owners actually experience, -20 to -30 degrees Celsius being the practical extreme for most, both oils flow adequately and build pressure within a safe window. The price difference of $8 per change is real money over time. 3 changes a year at $8 less each is $24 annually, $120 over 5 years. Castrol takes round 3 on cold start specific advantage and overall value for everyday normal service. Score: Mobil 1 2, Castrol 1. Round 4 is long-term engine cleanliness. This is where I want to share what I have seen in engines that ran each of these oils. Mobil 1 has a consistently documented track record in long-term engine cleanliness. Lower varnish and deposit formation on valve stems, piston crowns, and oil passages compared to mid-tier synthetics at extended intervals. At 10,000 miles, which both of these oils are rated for under normal service, Mobil 1 consistently delivers cleaner internal surfaces in hard-use applications. Castrol GTX Magnatec at 7,000 to 8,000 miles in normal service, not extended, performs well for deposit control. At extended intervals or in hard-use applications, Mobil 1's deeper additive package maintains cleanliness advantage. Mobil 1 takes round 4. Final score: Mobil 1 3, Castrol 1. Here is my straight answer. Mobil 1 is the better oil in 3 of 4 categories, and for engines in severe service, towing, high mileage, high load, the premium is earned. For a Ram 1500 Hemi regularly pulling a camper, a Silverado with high mileage seeing varied temperatures, or any turbocharged direct injection engine, pay the $30 for Mobil 1 and don't look back. For a daily driver truck or car doing normal commute miles in moderate conditions, a Tacoma going to work and back, a Civic doing highway miles, a naturally aspirated Silverado running normal loads, Castrol GTX Magnatec at $22 is a legitimate full synthetic that will protect your engine at a lower price. Castrol's cold start adhesion chemistry genuinely addresses the highest wear moment in everyday engine operation. You are not ruining your engine with Castrol GTX Magnatec. You are making a reasonable value decision for normal service conditions. My specific recommendations: for severe service or towing, Mobil 1 full synthetic 5W30 at $30 at Walmart. Pair it with a Wix filter and you're done for 10,000 miles. For normal daily service on a budget, Castrol GTX Magnatec 5W30 at $22 with a quality filter. Change it at 7,000 to 8,000 miles and your engine will be well protected. Everything I mentioned today is linked in the description below with the right viscosities for common American truck and car applications. Next time I'm covering the oil filters that nobody talks about, the cheap filters that are quietly killing engines, and the 2 brands worth the extra $3 every single change. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.